I'm using my good camera and hopefully it picks up audio a lot better than my other one. I personally believe it is a woman's right every now and then to make a fool of herself or to do something foolish. I just do it so much that now it's just a part of my personality. And today we are going to see if this blind bat can dye her hair. I've never dyed my hair before. I've dyed a family member's hair, and I kind of feel like this doesn't necessarily count as like a major dye job. I'm using a henna hair dye to bring out the red in my hair. So, I'm nervous. I am so nervous. So in the last few years, I've been using healthier products, and then my straightening method has been using a ton of, like I use rinse out conditioner, leave-in conditioner, styling milk, hair oil, and then I have this tub of it's hair something. It doesn't even have a label on it anymore. And it's like this weird texture stuff that I run through. Just don't get me wrong, I love curly hair. I think curly hair is absolutely beautiful. My hair does not curl in like nice romantic curls. It doesn't do nice, luscious, sexy beach waves. It doesn't even do cute little ringlets. It does random ringlets, huge curls, little curls, all different directions. I look like a poodle. Yeah. So let's figure this out. So we are actually in my kitchen. So I'm using the Lush henna thing, and I lost the directions, but I just listened to it on YouTube, and sounds easy enough. I'm not really sure how much of this I'm supposed to use, but I figured, because it feels kind of like a brick that you just break off chunks. So basically I need to put this in some boiling water until it's like the consistency of a brownie. So I have my coffee mug, and I'm going to break off a square. I'm not going to break off a square. I'm going to cut a square. I'm going to cut a square. Cutting board. Big giant knife. You're not allowed in my kitchen. Get out. Alright, so that cat is probably going to be in every video. You know how some people like really try to get their animals in videos and they're like, they're just so cute. Mine thinks he's cute, but he's not. So, alright. Okay. I feel like I'm gonna get hurt and do something stupid before I even cut my hair. I don't know what they did in the video. So, ooh, ha, I didn't get cut. And I got this a long time ago because I was gonna do this. So this is actually over a year old. I don't know if that makes a difference. Does henna expire? I don't know. And I was gonna do it a year ago when it was, my husband and I were stranded in separate countries. And, you know, I needed ideas for my YouTube channel, and I was really bummed out with my life and just in a really, really dark place. And so I was like, okay, I need something to keep my YouTube channel active. Why not dye my hair? You know, that's a good sign of a midlife crisis. And, yeah, I was never brave enough to do it. Like, what's the worst that's gonna happen? I'm gonna get in my eyes and go blind? Yeah, I know, that wasn't funny. Okay. I almost have this. I'm chopping it up into little itty bitty little pieces. It has a very interesting smell. Like the first time you smell it, you're like, ugh. And then the second time you're smelling it, you're like, it faintly smells like a yummy smell. Like when you walk into the health food store and you're like, what is that? And then like the more you smell it, the more you're like, interesting. Alright, so I chopped it up into little itty bitty pieces. I'm gonna put it in my mug and I'm going to add some water. Oh, I'm making a mess. My husband just cleaned this kitchen yesterday. What did you find? Smeagol, where's your ball? Where's your ball? Okay, so I'm gonna turn on my Keurig and I'm gonna add the least amount. And I'm having it so you guys can see, yes, the coffee counter is an extreme mess. I'm not organized. I'm hoping this works. I'm scared it's either going to be not enough water or way too much water. I really need an electric kettle. Alright, so I feel like I messed up with the water. I re-listened to the directions and okay, so I messed up the amount of water, so I ended up adding a second little square to that, but you're supposed to let it sit in the water. I missed that part. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit, let it really soften up, and then try and stir it again. Because right now it's like the consistency of cow poop. Like really tough, yeah. And before anyone smart alecky is like, how would you know the texture? I have a horror story about Puck's Farms. You're getting all kinds of history today. Also too, I can't tell if you can see it. When I was washing my face today with the face soap, some dripped down. I don't know, today I'm really off and klutzy, and it got on my shirt and I can feel it. It's, how does soap stain? Like, you wash with soap. So I'm actually going to recharge this battery and wait. Turns out that yes, it kind of expires. The product has like natural oils and stuff in it from the plants, and because I've had it for so long, it dried out. So I did some research, and what I had to do was I had to get a glove and like mush it between my fingers and kind of like just work it so the water could get in there and just re-wet everything. So it's been sitting, and it said that it needs to be like a thick brownie texture. And I also changed my shirt. I put a pajama shirt on because don't want to ruin my shirt. So anyways, look how messy my bathroom is. Like, honestly, I have so much junk on the counter, it's not even funny. And you want to see that, like, this is gross. Check this out. Okay, so this, right, that is like from our water, and you rub it and it's like a powder. Like, what is in the water? We don't drink it, we drink bottled water. Anyways, so I have this here. It's kind of a thick brownie texture, but when I stir it like this, I can still feel like lumps and stuff. But I figure I can just smush it like as I'm putting it on my hair. So I have a comb. I have a bathroom comb. I have to figure out how to set up my camera so you guys can watch me. I probably will open the mirror because there's shelves inside that I can just set this in. Alright, I'm going to use a glove to put it on because I don't feel like staining my hand. Now apparently you're supposed to put something like around your hairline and on your ears and stuff so that you don't stain your skin. I don't think we have Vaseline. Even if we did, I don't like Vaseline. And I can't think of any other cream or oil that's like that. So why not? Let's live on the dangerous side. I'm losing it. Y'all realize one of these videos that we're coming up to will be the official video where people look back and go, yeah, that's where she crossed the threshold to being slightly crazy to all out crazy, and there's no helping her now. Okay. So, I'm trying to remember when I used to help someone else in my family dye their hair. Because I did dye their hair, I think, once after I went blind, once or twice, I think. And it wasn't that bad because it was in a squeeze bottle, and so there were gloves for both of your hands, so you could just kind of feel along as you go. But I feel like this should be easy because this is like finger painting. It's like finger painting. A midlife crisis finger painting that I may or may not look like a mess. Okay, here we go. Nope, almost knocked that off the counter. Okay, I'm just putting the fork right in the sink. And I think I have to step back. I don't think I can be like close, or I don't think you guys can see me. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna drip this all over my face and the floor. I probably should have changed my skirt, because I'm probably gonna get this all over my skirt too. There's a very huge part of me that wants to go, Simba. Hey Ashley, what's that mark in your face? We're Lion Kinging it right now. Here goes nothing. I'm trying to use the comb. Hi guys. I really hope you guys can actually see me, because like so I don't know if I should just film this whole part or like turn it off and then restart filming, like, you know. So I probably, yeah, because I get distracted and I get talking, so I probably will try and finish up the rest of this and then come back at you. So I got it all on. I'm going to do a quick wipe of my hairline and my ears. How do you think it's going to turn out? One of my brothers thinks it's going to turn green. I don't think so because it's an all-natural product, but I have heard of redheads trying to dye their hair and it comes out like orange. So I am doing it in the fall, so if it comes out orange, at least it looks like I'm just trying to do it in theme. Also, I spilt some on my foot. It feels like a little poop. Does it look like a little poop to you? I am very immature. So let me quickly clean this all up, and I have to wrap it in plastic, and then I'm going to listen to the instructions again just to figure out like what next. So I probably should have listened to all of the directions at the very beginning. I don't have that patience. And it turns out that you have to leave this for 2 to 3 hours. So we're gonna see how it turns out. I feel like this next 2 to 3 hours is gonna be like the most nerve-wracking possible, because like I said, when redheads try to dye their hair, it can end up orange or like, I don't know, what's the worst case that could happen? It turns brown. So anyways, I think the next clip you'll actually see how it turned out. And here is the reveal in 3, 2, 1. kitty? Good. What is what?